Today is a chaotic day, and the only thing that I can think of doing is vlogging. I don't know why. I feel like there's some interesting things happening today, but I'm really busy. This is a busy week. The day's packed. I'm currently a mess, but today I'm gonna be filming some videos I have to pre-record because, as I'm saying, this is like the busiest time of the year for me. I have an event on Sunday, but also I'm gonna dye my hair today. Not going to the salon, no, and I'm not gonna do permanent hair dye. I'm gonna experiment with a product that I discovered. And I thought I'd bring you guys along to all of this because how fun is that, right? You guys know I don't really leave my house, so I don't have a lot to vlog. But when something interesting happens, you best believe that I'm gonna bring you guys with me. So we love a Tuesday. You know what, let's get to work. We need to work. Have I been working prior to filming this? Yes, I have. We're working again, let's go. Me and my emotional support beverages. Unfortunately, I don't have like a filming room or a set up. So every time I film, I have to set up my stuff in a tiny corner of my room. But you know what? It is what it is. I love what I do. I don't mind it. Okay, so it is a while later. I'm getting ready to film. I've put on my top. It's a little booby, that's why I don't want to show you. But I'm doing a celebrity recreation, so I'm trying to, you know, get as accurate as possible, but it's a little risque. So I'm just getting ready to film. You're gonna see a BTS of my chaos. Might look good on camera, but behind the scenes it's a little chaotic. So let's get to work, shall we? I am done filming after 2.5 hours. It is the labor of love, my friends. So now I'm just gonna tidy everything up, import all the footage into my computer. All the boring stuff, I will be back later on. Maybe I can show you my Sephora package that just arrived, my Sephora VIB package. I'm very excited about that one. And then we can, you know, do the hair dyeing later on today. I'm currently taking a break from life, from work, from everything, and I thought it was the perfect moment to show you what I got at the Sephora VIB sale. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know, but I wanted to share it on here just quickly. So let's get started, shall we? I got the Pharmacy 10% Waterless Vitamin C Serum. I'm running out of mine, so I just needed a new one. I've heard great things. Pharmacy is a great brand, and let me just see how it looks like. It looks like this. It's super nice. I'm not gonna pump it on my hand because I don't want to waste it. I mean, this was $50 minus the 15% off, but it's still, okay, I cannot take the liberty to just be pumping my shit. For makeup, I finally got the, what's the name of this? The Rare Beauty Warm Wishes Effortless Bronzer Stick. I got the shade Power Boost. I believe this is the lightest shade. It's pretty light. I don't know if it's gonna work for me, but I felt like it was the best shade for me. I don't feel like any other shade would have suited me as good as this one, and I've heard great things. So I'm excited to try this one out. It wouldn't be a me haul if I didn't include lip products because I have a problem. So I have two right here. The first one is the NARS Soft Matte Tinted Lip Balm in the shade Intimate. I wasn't gonna add this. I had no idea this existed until Jamie Page talked about it. You guys know I love Jamie Page. She's an icon, so I picked it up. And this is basically like a lip balm, but it's matte and it is color. Let me just try it on. Oh. I like it. It's like a lip balm, like it does have a little bit of a slip, but it looks matte. And it smells very vanilla-y. Okay. I can already tell I'm gonna be using this a lot. I love it. And then because I could not resist, I got the Freck Makeup Club Soft Blur Lipstick. I talked about this in a few videos. I've talked about it on Instagram. From the second I saw this, I thought it was so, like, such a resemblance to the OG Glossier Generation G. But yeah, it looks very similar to the Glossier Generation G. I like the logo. This feels a little cheap though. It feels very cheap packaging. It was 20-something dollars. And this is the shade, dude, I can't fucking see. Freck Rust. It's a rusty color. Again, it has a little bit, it's like a blurry lipstick, so you can like blur it out, but it is pretty pigmented. It's a little more pink than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be more orange, but it's nice. It looks nice. I think I'm gonna like the formula. I'm really excited for it. I'm excited to try it. And then the last thing I got is, okay, listen. I bought the Ellis Brooklyn Salt Travel Spray. Okay, I bought one of these. These are very expensive, but I smelt it one time at Sephora and I was like, I'm gonna get this when the sale comes on. It's amazing. Like from the second that I smelt it, I knew that I was gonna love it. Oh yeah, fuck yes. For some reason, I got this whole box and there were 3. So I have the one that I bought and then 2 extras. What's going on? I have no idea. I got freaking 3 for the price of 1. Which, I mean, not too bad, not too shabby. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, today I will be dyeing my hair. I've been toying with the idea of dyeing my hair. I don't want to do it permanently, but I am so into the red hair right now, like the red hair trend. I'm obsessed. So I bought a few products to try out, and oh my god. I got the Good Dye Young I'm Bored Hair Makeup. This is a semi-temporary color serum in the shade Binge Watch, which is this dark red. And then I got the Dyeposit Cleanse, Tone, Hydrate, and Bond Red. This is a mask. Okay, so this is a mask. This is a hair serum. This one lasts for a few weeks. This one lasts for a few washes. And I'm gonna test them out. Okay, I'm gonna test them out, see how I like them, join in the trend, but not commit fully and not like damage my hair. I'm very excited to try them. I'm planning on doing this tonight. I'm very excited, also very nervous, but yeah, here we are. I'm ready to dye my hair. Is this the best idea? No, I'm standing in front of a window. I have a tiny mirror. I'm gonna have to take off my glasses now. I won't be able to see, which is so fun. I'm gonna be using the I'm Bored hair makeup from Good Dye Young, which I showed you earlier. I could have used a mask, but that one I had to use in the shower, and this is less permanent. So I'm gonna test it out because I just want to see how it goes. And if all else fails, it's gonna come off hopefully in a few washes. I have an event on Sunday, a work event, so hopefully things go right. But let me just pull up my computer and see what this says. How to use. So start with towel dried hair. I have grab your favorite shade of I'm Bored. Section out the strands of your hair you want to color, pump on board into your fingertips, or wear gloves. I have my gloves right here. Work into hair with fingers, fully saturating the section. Blow dry in the style. This will last 2 to 6 washes. Okay, so I'm all for that. Let me just section off the hair. I need a little thing. Let's get started, shall we? This looks like frickin' blood. Ew. I'm so scared. It smells really good though. Like, it smells really good. The reason I don't want to actually dye my hair is because I feel like it's very trendy right now. I did dye my hair red a while ago when I was like 16, so this was years ago, but I didn't want to do it again because I don't know, I feel like this is, again, as I just said, more of a trend of the moment, like copper hair and stuff. I know it's not gonna look exactly like that, but also like I've been struggling with hair loss after COVID. I know it's like a big thing, a lot of people get it, so I didn't want to, you know, struggle more with that by putting a lot of chemicals on my hair. So this is the next best thing, and I can try it out for you guys. And it's not permanent, it's literally like hair makeup, which is so cool. Hopefully this is enough, I don't know, but I'm just gonna keep on going. Okay, this has proven to be a hassle. Okay, so I've applied the serum all over the hair. I would definitely recommend you use gloves. Like, these are pretty stained. I can already see, like, I don't know if you're gonna be able to, but here's where I have more of my, like, lighter hairs, like baby lighter hairs, and they look a little bit reddish. Not a lot, not completely, I will say, but there's something, like, it looks a little bit more red. I'm obviously not expecting this to be like super red. I'm already like running my hands through my hair and it's already a little red, so be careful with that. I am just gonna brush, my face is super red, but just gonna brush my hair right now to make sure everything's like evenly distributed. what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna towel off the hair a little bit to get rid of the excess product because again, I have oily hair. I didn't apply any conditioner, but still I wanna be careful and just remove any excess. I'm gonna blow dry my hair, try to get rid of this right here, and I'll be back to show you the final result. I think this is gonna work, you guys. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell, but you can kind of see the difference. Like, I don't think you can see it as well on camera as you can in person, but it does feel like my hair is a little bit lighter and obviously redder. Like over there, in here, you can see it so much more. Like it grabbed a lot more, so it is a little streaky, I will say. You're feeling a little greasy right now, so I'm probably gonna do the rinse. I don't have the darkest brunette hair, but it's not light either. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's not an epic fail, like it's not all bad, but it's not as intense as I thought it would be. I might have to try the hair mask in a few days and let you know how that goes. But yeah, this is the result using the I'm Bored hair makeup in the shade Binge Watch from Good Die Young. Okay, it is the next day. I'm standing in front of a window. I'm gonna take these glasses off, which I almost dropped, so you don't have to see the reflection, but this is what the hair is looking like. It's definitely looking a little bit redder. Like over here, it's very red, but you can see I have a little dot there. It stained my scalp, but yeah, it is looking a little bit more red than my hair naturally is, so I would say this worked. I kind of want it to be more intense, so I will be trying the mask, but I mean, for just a little look, like a little bit of a zoom in your hair or just a slight change, I think this is pretty cool. I'm here. I'm out of the shower. Like I really literally just hopped out of the shower. Hair is still sopping wet because your hair needs to be wet for this. This says apply to wet hair weekly or as needed. Let sit for 5 to 10 minutes depending on desired intensity. Rinse until water runs clear. I'm gonna apply it with you guys. I'm gonna hop back in, rinse. I'm nervous because I feel like this is more permanent. I'm not wearing any gloves. I'm sorry by the sounds that my shower is making right now. The water is draining, but I think my hands are gonna get stained. Also, I would like to point out that I'm wearing a Justin Bieber towel. Throwback Thursday to when I was a die-hard believer. Let me know down below if you're with me. But anyways, I digress. Justin Bieber towel will be getting stained. That's why I'm wearing it because I don't care about it. Let's go ahead. I don't know how much I need. I'm gonna obviously need more than this, but I just want to start. Oh, fuck. This is... I'm shaking. Do you see that? It smells really good, though. Okay, am I just supposed to, like, apply this to my head? This is definitely staining my hands. Oh, fuck. This feels really nice, though. Like, very moisturizing. Is my scalp gonna be stained forever? I don't know if I'm doing this correctly or not. I have to wait 5 to 10 minutes once this is on, but I don't know how much more I need. Do I need much more? Dude, my bathroom is starting to look like a murder scene. I've had this on for like 3 minutes already, so I'm probably gonna give it like 3 more minutes. I'm gonna run my hairbrush through my head to deposit the product. I don't even want to know. Oh, my back isn't very stained. That's good. I feel like my scalp is very saturated. I'm not sure if like my ends are. Okay, so now all that's left to do is wait. Crossing the fingers that this doesn't look bad or streaky. I'm really nervous. I'll see you later when I sort all this out. Peace. And the verdict is in. This is, I just washed my hair last night, you saw that. This is the next morning. I didn't blow dry it or anything. I don't know if I should have, but I didn't, I was lazy. And from what you can see, there is a little bit more red. This color was made specifically for brunettes. There are other colors that are made for blondes. Obviously, if you have lighter hair, the color is gonna attach itself to your hair a lot better, but this one was made for brunettes. So if you have lighter brown hair than I do, I think it's gonna look more intense, but it does give it like a red hue, no? Like I do feel like it gives it a little bit more of a red hue as compared to the serum. The serum is obviously like hair makeup, so it only lasts a few washes. This one lasts a little bit more. I'm definitely not disappointed. I wasn't expecting this to like give me Ariel red hair. Obviously, like that was never gonna happen. I have darker hair. So if you just kind of want to give it a whirl, if you kind of want to get in the season of red hair. The Good Day Young products are really good. I know there are a lot of other products that give you like temporary color, but these are great. They were affordable. I think the little serum was $10. The mask was $18, and actually it is a hair mask. Like, my hair feels very nourished and soft, so it's not gonna like damage your hair. It doesn't leave it feeling nasty and disgusting, which is another thing that was very important for me. When the sun hits it, you can kind of see a little bit better. So when I'm outside, I'm more of a redhead. When I'm inside, I'm a brunette. I love that. And I guess that is it for today's video. It was a little bit all over the place. I didn't think it was gonna extend this much, but it did. I'm glad. It was all about the hair for this vlog. So I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you like vlogs. I'm still a little awkward about them. As you know, like, my space isn't super aesthetic. I don't really have a lot of room to film in. Like, I can't move a lot. And also, I don't really leave my house. So that's hard, and I would never film in public because I'm socially awkward as it is. I don't need to add a camera to the equation. But anyways, let me know if you guys enjoyed this content. If you've tried these products, let me know. If I did anything wrong, or if you have any tips and tricks, let me know. If you want to try them out, I definitely recommend them. The links will be down below. You guys know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun. This was chaos, but I loved it. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you, and I will see you for my next one. Bye. Mwah.